Hello everyone, welcome to our maths class. Good morning. Exercise 7.3 continue. Last video we see up to question number 4 and 5. In this video I will explain you the question number 6, 7, 8, 9. In question number 6 the question is that check whether the given fractions are equivalent. Question number 6 is check whether the given fractions are equivalent. Given fractions are equivalent. So where to find out that the given fractions are equivalent or not? Okay. So what is meant by equivalent? We see here it's A, which is 5 by 9 and 30 by 54. So one simple method is there. What is that simple method? First of all, we have to find that each fractions is having it is in the simplest form. Okay, it is of its simplest form. So 5 by 9 is in the simplest form. How? See, here it is 5, here it is 9. Okay, both the numbers are not comes in each other's table. Okay, 5 is having the table of 5, 10, 15 and 9, 9 was 9, 9 to the 18. So 5 by 9 is already in the simplest form. Okay, now here it is 30 and 54. So what we do, we make it simple. Okay, so how to make simple? We divide both the numbers, numerator and denominator, by the same number. Here I divide both the number by 6. So we get 6 5s are 30 and 6 9s are 54. So which number we get, which fraction we get? 5 by 9. Right? Because both the fractions are same. So therefore 5 by 9 equals to 30 by 54. We can write it like this, because if we simplify this 30 by 54, we get 5 by 9. Okay, thus 5 by 9 comma 30 by 54 are equivalent. Okay, the next is 3 by 10 and 12 by 50. Now, can these fractions are equivalent fractions? We check. Now here, same 3 and 10 is there. The 3 is stable. 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9. So 10 is not there in the 3 table, and 10 is also not in 3 table, and 3 is also not in 10 table. So it means it is simplest form. Okay. Now solve this 12 and 50. So we solve it. 2 6 are 12, 2 25 is 50. Okay. Now here it is 6 and 25. Okay. We can't simplify it because we can't find that 6 and 25 in one table. So both are not equal. Thus 3 by 10 and 12 by 50 are not equivalent. दोनों भी जो है वो इक्विवेलेंट नहीं है. क्यों? क्योंकि यहाँ पे अगर हम सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं 12 by 50 को, तो हमें क्या मिला? 6 by 25. यहाँ पे 3 by 10 है. दोनों भी सेम नहीं है. अगर सेम आते थे तो ही वो इक्विवेलेंट होता था, अदरवाइज नहीं. ओके, सो सी जो है 7 by 13 और 5 by 11 वो आपको सॉल्व करके देखना है. देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 इज रिड्यूस द फॉलोइंग फ्रैक्शंस टू सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म. हियर simplification. Okay, how to simplify the fractions. Question number 7. Reduce the following fractions to simplest form. तो यहाँ पे reduce करना है. So 48 by 60. Okay, it is the fraction. एक बात आपको ध्यान में रखनी है कि अगर आप फ्रैक्शंस जो है वो अगर रिड्यूस करने वाले हैं, ठीक है, सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में रिड्यूस करना है, तो क्या करना, पहले तो चेक करना कि दोनों किस टेबल में आते हैं. अगर नहीं आता है, समझ में आपको कंफ्यूजन है, तो पहले तो देखो दोनों भी इवन नंबर है क्या. जी हाँ, यहाँ पे दोनों भी इवन नंबर है. मैं दो मेथड्स आपको बताने वाला हूँ, ठीक है. तो दोनों भी इवन नंबर है, तो पहले मैं क्या करूँगा, इवन नंबर जो रहते हैं वो 2 से डिविजिबल रहते हैं, ठीक है. तो मैं इसको दोनों भी नंबर को 2 से डिवाइड करता हूँ. So it is 2 2s are 4 and 2 4s are 8. Here it is 2 3s are 6. So I get new fraction which is 24 upon 30. Okay. Now same 24 and 30 both the numbers are even number. Okay. So I simplified once again. I divide both the number by 2. So 2 12s are and 2 15s are. Okay. Now I get another fraction which is 12 by 15. Now I know that by which number we can divide both the numbers. So 12 and 15 we can divide it by 3. So 3 4s are 12 and 3 5s are 15. So it's our last number which is 4 and 5. So 5 is a prime number. Okay. So it is 4 by 5 is the final answer. Okay. So it is simplest form. Okay, we reduce this 48 by 60 into the simplest form 4 by 5. इसके बाद ये simplify नहीं होगा. One more example we take here. अभी इसको ही जो 48 by 60 है, इसको ही हम थोड़े अलग तरीके से सॉल्व करते हैं, ठीक है. नाउ सेम नंबर अगर हमें देखना है, ठीक है, तो ऐसा कौन सा सेम नंबर है जिससे हम 60 और 48 दोनों को डिवाइड कर सकते हैं, ठीक है. तो हम वो देखते हैं. 12 is there. 12 5s are 60 and 12 4s are 48. Okay, 12 4s are and 12 5. Sorry, 12 5s. Okay, so it is 4 by 5, simplest form. Now one more example I explained you. 150 upon 60. जब नंबर बड़े रहते हैं तो सिंप्लीफाई करने में थोड़ी सी तकलीफ जाती है, ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे क्या करना है, नाउ इट इज 150 upon 60. बोथ नंबर इज हैविंग 0 at the ones place. Both the numbers is having 0 at the ones place. So मैं यहाँ पे क्या करता हूँ, 0 लिखता ही नहीं, 15 upon 6 लिख लेता हूँ इसको. Okay, now we can easily simplify it. So 3 5s are 15, 3 2s are 6. So our answer is 5 by 2. No need to write or no need to solve more. Now one more example, 7 by 28. This type of reduction or simplification is very easy because here 28 is in the table of 7. So we write directly 7 1s are 7, 7 4s are 28. So 1 by 4 is the answer. Okay. So here question number 7 is over. Question number 8 is, it is word problem. Ramesh had 20 pencils. Shilu had 50 pencils and Jamal had 80 pencils. So write down first the given information from the word problem. So that information is that Ramesh had 20 pencils. How many pencils? Then Shilu Shilu had pencils equals to 50. Okay, and that Jamal had 80 pencils. Okay, after 4 months, Ramesh used up 10 pencils. Ramesh used up 10 pencils. Okay, Shilu used 25 pencils, and Jamal used 40 pencils. So, what fraction did each use up? Check if each has used up an equal fraction of her or his pencil. Okay, so we have to find that everyone is having equivalent fractions. So, we solve it. So, after 4 months, how many pencils Ramesh had? So Ramesh had how much pencils? He used 10 pencils. So 20 minus 10 equals to 10. Okay. Then Shilu had 50 minus 25 equals to 25 pencils. And Jamal had 80 minus 40 pencils. So 40 pencils. Okay. Now find out the fraction of each. So Ramesh, how many pencils he used? 10 pencils from 20 pencils. 10 pencils from 20 pencils. So it is 1 by 2. Shilu, she used 25 pencils from 50 pencils. So it is 25 ones are and 25 twos are. And Jamal, he used 40 pencils out of 80 pencils. So it is 4 by 8 means 40 ones are 40, 42s are 8. Means 1 by 2. So they used up half of pencils. Okay, and check if each has used up an equal fraction of her or his pencils. So write down yes, they used equal pencils. Equal pencils of her and his. Okay, so it is question number 8 is over. Then last is match the equivalent fractions and write 2 more for each. Equivalent fractions were to write. So here what you have to do, you have to simplify, you have to reduce all the fractions, okay, and then you get the reduced form, simplest form of the fraction, okay, and then you can match the pair. So try it at your home, okay. Up to that, bye bye. Keep watching my videos, like, subscribe and share my channel, and don't forget to press bell icon so that you will get the notifications of each and every videos. Okay, bye bye. Thank you.